In recent years, the discovery of 3I Atlas, an interstellar object that made its way into our solar system, has shocked the scientific community. While we've long been fascinated by the possibility of extraterrestrial objects entering our system, the arrival of 3I Atlas has opened up a new chapter in our understanding of space and time. What makes this discovery so important? And why could it be one of the most groundbreaking findings of the 21st century? Let's dive into the mysteries surrounding 3I Atlas and explore why it has the potential to reshape our view of the cosmos. The discovery of 3I Atlas. 3I Atlas was first detected in October 2017 by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System (ATLAS) project, designed to monitor and track near-Earth objects. Initially, the object was thought to be just another typical asteroid or comet passing through our solar system. But as astronomers gathered more data, it became clear that 3I Atlas was anything but ordinary. Unlike other objects from our solar system, 3I Atlas didn't follow the expected trajectory of a comet or asteroid. Instead, its path suggested that it had come from outside the solar system, a visitor from the vast expanse of interstellar space. This discovery made 3I Atlas the first confirmed interstellar object ever observed, passing through our solar system, marking a major milestone in astronomical research. The fact that this object came from beyond our solar system intrigued scientists, but it was its peculiar behavior and unique characteristics that truly set it apart. As astronomers began to study it in more detail, they noticed a series of anomalies that made 3I Atlas a subject of intense interest and debate in the scientific community. Unusual behavior of 3I Atlas. One of the most striking features of 3I Atlas was its unexpected speed and trajectory. Objects from outside our solar system are expected to travel much faster than those bound by the sun's gravitational pull. Yet 3I Atlas moved in a way that defied the laws of celestial mechanics. It was accelerating in a way that scientists couldn't explain. And that led to the initial confusion regarding its behavior. As scientists studied the object further, they began to notice something even more peculiar. It exhibited strange outgassing, an effect often associated with comets. Comets, as they approach the sun, begin to heat up, causing ice and volatile materials to sublimate, creating a visible tail of gas and dust. However, 3I Atlas was far too far from the sun to explain the outgassing in the usual way. This left researchers scratching their heads. What could possibly explain the behavior of 3I Atlas? Initially, scientists speculated that the object might have been an asteroid that had broken apart due to internal forces, but the outgassing didn't quite match the typical behavior of such a phenomenon. Furthermore, unlike regular comets, 3I Atlas didn't exhibit a significant tail. It was almost as if the object was emitting some sort of mysterious substance, not simply the gas one would expect from a comet. The water mystery, a potential key to understanding 3I Atlas. One of the most captivating aspects of 3I Atlas was its outgassing, which appeared to be releasing water vapor. While it's not uncommon for comets to release small amounts of water as they pass through the solar system, 3I Atlas was doing so in unprecedented quantities. The object was ejecting water at a rate of around 40 kilograms per second, a flow equivalent to the output of several fire hoses running simultaneously. At first glance, this might seem like an unusual but not entirely extraordinary occurrence. However, the real mystery arose when scientists realized that the object was far too distant from the sun for water to be vaporized in the traditional manner. At the distance where 3I Atlas was located, sunlight is far too weak to cause the necessary heating for such water emissions. This discovery led to an even greater scientific puzzle. How could 3I Atlas be emitting water at such a rate, without the usual conditions that would trigger such a process? To put it into perspective, at 3 astronomical units from the Sun, about 3 times the Earth-Sun distance, the temperature is extremely cold, around -180 degrees Celsius. Under these conditions, water should remain frozen solid, not vaporize. This anomaly was so bizarre that it forced scientists to reconsider their theories about how comets and other celestial objects behave, especially those from interstellar space. Some scientists have even speculated that the water ejected by 3I Atlas could be a clue about the presence of liquid water in other parts of the universe, perhaps in places previously considered too cold for life to exist. Could this be an indication that interstellar objects, like 3I Atlas, might harbor the building blocks of life? Or could they be carrying water that originated in another star system? Why this discovery is so important. So why does this discovery of 3I Atlas matter so much? To answer that question, we need to look at the bigger picture. 3I Atlas is not just another comet or asteroid. It is the first confirmed interstellar object to visit our solar system, and that in itself is groundbreaking. But what makes this discovery truly significant is the fact that 3I Atlas challenges many of our fundamental assumptions about how objects in space behave. By studying 3I Atlas, scientists are being forced to reevaluate what we know about celestial mechanics, the behavior of comets, and the conditions necessary for life to exist elsewhere in the universe. Its unusual properties could lead to new insights about the nature of interstellar objects and how they might travel between star systems. Furthermore, the discovery of 3I Atlas provides new opportunities for future missions and exploration. If we can understand how this object travels across the vast distances of interstellar space, it might offer valuable lessons for future interstellar probes and even the search for life beyond our solar system. In conclusion, 3I Atlas has the potential to change our understanding of space in ways we could never have imagined. The object's strange behavior, its mysterious outgassing of water, and its journey from the depths of interstellar space all point to a future where our exploration of the cosmos is only just beginning. The second half of this video will delve deeper into the impact this discovery could have on the future of space exploration and how it could shape the search for life beyond Earth. The future of space exploration. How 3I Atlas could shape our path forward. The discovery of 3I Atlas has opened up a wealth of possibilities for future space exploration. Until now, our understanding of interstellar objects has been largely theoretical. However, the confirmation of 3I Atlas as the first interstellar visitor has given scientists a concrete object to study, offering a new path forward for space exploration. So how could 3I Atlas impact the future of human space exploration? One of the immediate implications of studying 3I Atlas is that it opens up new avenues for researching interstellar travel. If objects like 3I Atlas can travel such vast distances, the mechanisms behind that travel could hold the key to future interstellar exploration. scientists will be eager to understand how such objects move through space, how they interact with the gravitational fields of stars and planets, and whether these objects are naturally propelled or if they are influenced by other forces. In particular, studying the trajectory of 3I Atlas could lead to breakthroughs in our understanding of how objects from other star systems interact with our own. It may even inspire new propulsion methods that could one day enable us to travel to distant star systems. If 3I Atlas can move through the vastness of space, perhaps we can learn from it to push the boundaries of human space travel beyond our solar system. The search for extraterrestrial life, how 3I Atlas could influence our quest. Another key area where 3I Atlas could have a profound impact is in the ongoing search for extraterrestrial life. The fact that this interstellar object exists outside our solar system and is traveling across the galaxy raises important questions about the potential for life elsewhere. Could 3I Atlas be carrying the seeds of life? Or is it simply a cosmic anomaly? This question has been the subject of speculation since the discovery of the object, and researchers are beginning to see that 3I Atlas may hold the key to understanding life's origins beyond Earth. The presence of water vapor in 3I Atlas, which is a necessary ingredient for life as we know it, is an exciting lead. Water is one of the most fundamental elements for the development of life, and the fact that 3I Atlas is emitting large quantities of water suggests that it may have encountered similar conditions to those found on Earth or on other planets. What if this object was carrying water from another star system that could potentially harbor life? Could 3I Atlas be a cosmic messenger, providing clues about life in other parts of the universe? This discovery could also help guide future missions to find extraterrestrial life. Missions like NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and others searching for exoplanets could gain valuable insights from the study of 3I Atlas. For example, scientists could look for similar water emissions from exoplanets or moons in other star systems to identify potential sites where life might exist. 3I Atlas and the expansion of our cosmic perspective. Beyond the technical implications for space travel and the search for life, 3I Atlas also forces us to reconsider our place in the universe. The arrival of an interstellar object in our solar system is a clear reminder of just how vast the universe is. 3I Atlas has traveled across unimaginable distances to reach us, and yet it is just one of many objects that might be out there, waiting to be discovered. In a way, 3I Atlas challenges the very notion of what is local in the universe. We tend to think of our solar system as the neighborhood where we live, but the discovery of 3I Atlas reminds us that our solar system is just a tiny part of a much larger, dynamic universe. The idea that objects from distant star systems can visit our own solar system brings into question the nature of interstellar space and the interactions that may be taking place across vast stretches of space and time. In this context, 3I Atlas could spark a new era of exploration, where we don't just look at our solar system as an isolated region, but as part of a much larger cosmic neighborhood. It could push us to consider that we are not as isolated as we once thought, and that there may be many more interstellar objects like 3I Atlas waiting to be discovered. 3I Atlas and its role in revising cosmic theories. The study of 3I Atlas doesn't just challenge existing space exploration technologies and our understanding of life beyond Earth. It also challenges many of the fundamental theories that have guided our understanding of the cosmos. For centuries, scientists have relied on certain assumptions, about the behavior of objects in space. These assumptions include the notion that objects from other star systems are rare and that they would behave in predictable, familiar ways, based on our understanding of physics. However, 3I Atlas breaks many of these assumptions. Its strange behavior, anomalous trajectory, and unexplained outgassing point to the possibility that our models of how objects behave in space may need a major overhaul. As scientists analyze the data from 3I Atlas, they will likely uncover new phenomena that could lead to a rethinking of established theories in astrophysics, planetary science, and even cosmology. For example, 3I Atlas could force scientists to reconsider how celestial objects interact with the forces that govern our solar system, and it could push researchers to update their models of how interstellar objects might behave as they travel across galaxies. If 3I Atlas continues to exhibit behavior that doesn't fit existing models, we could see a wave of new theories emerge to explain its properties. These new theories could radically change our understanding of gravity, matter, and the forces that shape our universe. Conclusion: the legacy of 3I Atlas. In conclusion, 3I Atlas represents one of the most significant discoveries in modern astronomy and space exploration. Its arrival in our solar system has challenged many of our assumptions about the universe and has raised profound questions about the nature of space, time, and life beyond Earth. Looking ahead, 3I Atlas may play a key role in unlocking the secrets of interstellar travel, guiding the search for extraterrestrial life, and prompting a reevaluation of some of the most fundamental theories in astrophysics. The implications of this discovery are still unfolding, and the legacy of 3I Atlas will likely continue to influence scientific inquiry for years to come. As we continue to study this fascinating object, it's clear that 3I Atlas has opened up a new frontier of exploration, one that will likely reveal even more mysteries and surprises. This interstellar visitor is more than just a passing curiosity. It is a harbinger of the future of space exploration, a symbol of the vastness of the cosmos, and a reminder that the universe still holds countless secrets waiting to be discovered.